Alright, so today we are going to change the instrument cluster on my 91 Corvette. You can see the cracking in the lens right there. Comes on, you get a light. Other than that, doesn't do anything. Tachometer goes up and down. So we're going to swap that out. I don't even know how many miles are on this car. Guess we'll find out. I didn't see any point in putting the cluster back in because you saw me take it out, but ooh, we have digits. 147,878 miles. Okay. Let's see. Trip. Okay, let's see what my range is. Range 40. Alright, see if I can reset it. Oh wait, no, I can't reset the range. Alright, that's cool. Alright, let's see. Looks like a win to me. Now we get to do this one with that one.